How much does a replacement battery for my ADT doorbell camera cost?
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about the cost of a replacement battery for your ADT doorbell camera. If your doorbell camera is having trouble holding a charge or not functioning properly, it might be time for a new battery. But how much is it going to cost you? Let's find out.
What is the ADT doorbell camera?
The ADT doorbell camera is a wireless, smart doorbell that provides a live view of your front door and sends alerts to your smartphone when visitors arrive or packages are delivered. It runs on battery power, which means that over time, you'll need to replace the battery to keep it functioning properly.
How often does the battery need to be replaced?
Generally speaking, the battery in your ADT doorbell camera should last between 3 to 6 months before it needs to be recharged. However, how often you'll need to completely replace the battery depends on a number of factors such as the usage and weather conditions. On average, you might need to replace the battery every 1 to 2 years.
How much does a replacement battery cost?
While the prices can vary, a replacement battery for your ADT doorbell camera typically costs around $20 to $30. This is a rough estimate, as the cost may differ based on your location and the specific model of your ADT doorbell camera. It is always recommended to get an original product to ensure compatibility and performance. To wrap it up, keep an eye on your ADT doorbell camera's battery life, and remember that a replacement battery will generally cost you between $20 to $30. This is a relatively small investment to ensure that your doorbell camera is always ready to capture important activity at your front door. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this information has been helpful.